Bonjour, today let's have a look at the verb venir, to come, in French, in 5 different tenses. Okay, we are going to conjugate the verb venir. Venir is a tough one because it belongs to the third group verbs, okay? Now, venir is a tough one as well. You're going to see why in a minute when we conjugate it in the passé composé. Now, let's have a look at venir in the present tense. So we want to say I come. Venir means to come, I come. Venir, though it looks like that in the infinitive form, when you want to say I come, it doesn't look anything like that. Have a look. Je viens, I come. Okay, so different spelling completely. Tu viens, you come. Il vient, he comes. Elle vient, she comes. On vient, one comes. Nous venons, you come, we come. Vous venez, you come. Ils viennent, they come. Elles viennent, they come. Bearing in mind that though I'm saying I come, you come, it can be translated as I am coming, you're coming, he is coming. It is a present tense, okay? Now let's have a look at the passé composé. And this is what I mean about this verb in the passé composé. In French, you can either use the auxiliary avoir or the auxiliaries avoir or être when conjugating a verb in the past tense, okay? And you've got to learn which ones they are. Now, most of the time they are conjugated with avoir in the past tense, but venir being one of those movement verbs, and by the way, I have a video on movement verbs as well, have a look at them. All of these movement verbs in the passé composé, in the past tense, are conjugated with the verb être. Okay, so you must know how to say I am, you are, he is, and so on, and add the past participle of the verb you wish to conjugate. In this case, for venir, it is venu. Again, you must know how to conjugate these verbs, okay? You must know what the past participle of those very irregular verbs are, okay? That will help you, okay? And there is a video on that as well, by the way. So, je suis, I am, and then past participle venu. That becomes I have come or I came. So I know that in English it's weird to have I am come, okay? But in French it means I came or I have come, okay? So let's have a look. Je suis venu. I have come. Tu es venu. You have come or you came. Now, don't be too confused by the fact that I'm saying I am, je suis, and in English it's I have. I can't translate it any better than that. Il est venu, he has come. Elle est venue, she has come. On est venu, one has come. Nous sommes venus, we have come. Vous êtes venus. You have come. Ils sont venus. They have come. Elles sont venues. They have come. Okay? And you will notice that the change of, this time in the past participle, the change of spelling. Sometimes it has an extra E, an extra S, ES. This is because we are agreeing the past participle with the subject pronoun because we are using to be and not to have. If we had used to have, that would not be a problem. It will always be the same past participle. So be very, very aware. But it's all explained in the support sheet, so don't worry about that. Anyway, let's have a look at the imperfect of venir. Venir, the stem is ven, okay, just like the new version of the present tense, nous venons, you take this and you add those special imperfect endings. So we want to say, I used to come, I was coming. Je venais. I used to come, I was coming. Tu venais. You used to come, you were coming. Il venait. He used to come. He was coming. You get my grip. Elle venait. She used to come. On venait. One used to come. Nous venions. We used to come. Vous veniez. You used to come. Il venait, they used to come. Elle venait, they used to come. Now, please be very careful with these endings here, okay? Remember them, okay? And don't mix them up with the other endings. And by the way, these endings are exactly the same as the conditional endings, okay? Not the same stem, as we are going to find out right now. The future. Let's have a look at the future. I will come. Now, in order to create the future in any verbs from the third group verb, you need to know absolutely what the stem of that verb is. For venir, it is viendre. Viendre. I know, it's weird, isn't it? If only all the verbs were regular verbs, it would be easy, but it's not as easy as that. So, you add the special future ending. So, we want to say I will come. So, je viendrai. Je viendrai. I will come. Tu viendras. You will come. Il viendra. He will come. Elle viendra. She will come. On viendra. One will come. Nous viendrons. We will come. Vous viendrez. You will come. Ils viendront. They will come. Elles viendront. They will come. Okay, so we've created the future of the verb venir. Now have a look at the stem again and have a look at the endings of the imperfect. You take the stem from the future tense and the ending from the imperfect, and here you have the conditional tense. Okay, I would come. So, je viendrai, I would come. Tu viendrais, you would come. Il viendrait, he would come. Elle viendrait, she would come. On viendrait, one would come. Nous viendrions, that's a mouthful. We would come. Vous viendriez, you would come. Il viendrait and elle viendrait means they would come. Okay, my objective here in these lessons is for you to have a look at the verbs next to each other. Okay, so you have a look at patterns. Okay, and I can spot a few patterns here. Okay, the third group verbs are very difficult, so please try to learn the past participle and stems by heart. Now that's it for me. You can find some examples on this verb in the support guide at learnfrenchwithalexa.com. And why don't you subscribe to my awesome YouTube channel? Au revoir, à bientôt, bisous bisous.